So hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel everyone, and we have bought another trading strategy for all of you. So this is a swing trading strategy, correct? A swing trade is a trade which can be of one day or can be of more than one day. This strategy which I am going to share with you is a very solid strategy. One thing which is with this strategy is that it is going to give you less signals. It is not like this strategy is giving you daily signals or signals every week. There is no necessity like this strategy will give you signals every day or every week. But whenever this strategy will give you a signal, you have to keep tracking the charts. But whenever this strategy will give you a signal to buy or to sell, I am telling you this strategy is so solid and robust that this is going to get you huge amount of profits, right? So please watch this video till end, and please do like the video and listen carefully in order to understand every bit of this strategy. So first of all, when not to trade based upon this strategy, I would like to mention those days when market, the spot of the Nifty, open with more than 2.5% gap. This gap can be on any side, like upside or on the downside, correct? Any union budget day, central government election declaration day, banking holiday, bank strikes, RBI credit policy day, avoid trading on these particular day. And how to select stocks on which you can trade on based upon this strategy is that first of all, that stock should be included in the FNO segment. Apart from that, second requirement is that you should know that this stock can give a momentum of 20 to 30 rupees on a day, like it had given, or it can give, or it gives normally a momentum of 20 to 30 days, right? I'm not saying that every day that stock should give a moment of 20 to 30 points. All I am saying is that that stock should be capable of giving movement of 20 to 30 points, correct? Apart from that, that stock should not value more than 2000 rupees, correct? So I hope you are now completely clear with this conditions. If you are clear with this condition, then we can start with the strategy. So in this strategy, we need 3 days, right, for the confirmation. And it is not necessary that these 3 days will come one after other, right? It may possible that the first day comes on day 1, and then the second day comes on the day 10, and then the third day comes on the day 15, right? This is what swing trading is. Swing trading is not an intraday basis trading. This is a long-term trading. This is a what you can say, a trading of 2 week or 1 week to 2 week. That's why usually swing trading strategies takes this times to for execution, but once they get executed, they give brilliant results. So in this particular strategy, we need 3 signals. First, we need 2 swings high, right? Let me show you this candle. Right now you can see my cursor is on the candle of 30th April, correct? 30th April 2021. You can see my candle, my candles you can see my candle is on the 30th April 2021, right? And here you can see this one candle behind the 30th April candle, the candle of 29th April, and the candle of the 3rd May. The high of the 30th April is the candle which has the highest trading range. Means this, the high of the 30th April is higher than the high of the 29th April as well as of the 3rd May, right? So this is going to be our first trading high, swing trading high, correct? Then again you can see here on the 6th May this candle, and then the candle on the 7th May, and then the candle of the 10th May. You will find that 7th May high is higher than the 6th May, and the 10th May is high. So these are going to be our 2 swing highs. They should be in a single line, right? So these we will create an horizontal line right over here, right? You can see we have created a horizontal line over here, right? Exactly. Now what we are going to do, as soon as we get a breakout above this horizontal line, we are going to take a long trade. Here you will acknowledge that on the 26th May, so second confirmation came on the 10th May, but breakout came on the 26th May. And on the 26th May, as soon as prices crosses above this horizontal line, we can go long, we can take a long trade. Now what is going to be our target? So target will be decided based upon this candle. You can see the last swing high above this horizontal line was on the 30th March. You can see that the high on the 13th March is higher than the 26th March and higher than the 31st March. So the difference between our horizontal line and the high made on this day is of around 27 points. The high made on this day was 1400 and our horizontal line stays at 1373. So this 27 point is going to be our target and we are going to take a long trade. And here comes the breakout on this particular day, and this particular day's high also you can check is 1400. So 27 points which we were looking for what covered in one day only, right? So I hope you understood how to set the targets, and stop loss will be below this horizontal line. So risk to reward is great in this strategy. You see how this strategy works. Now I am going to show you some more example of this strategy, right? But before that, I would recommend that you have heard this strategy very carefully. I know that you got what you should do, but one more thing, always look at the volume. If you find out that on that particular day volume is you will find that volume is very low compared to the other days, then this strategy is not going to work on that day, right? So you need to remember that. Apart from that, before start trading based upon this strategy, you need to select any 5 stocks and you need to at least test this strategy 3 to 4 times on that particular stock. If you find that okay, last 3 to 4 times when these type of swing highs were made by the stock and this strategy worked, then only in the future you can take strategy based upon trade based upon this, right? This is going to take a lot of time, but as you can see how good this strategy works, right? So it's worth the wait, correct? Apart from that, one more thing, that this is the swing high like 27 profits. Apart from that, one more thing I would like to share is that if you want to know, I have waited for so many days, I'm not going to book the profit at 27 points. No issue. What you can do, you can still long on the stock, still your stop loss will be below the horizontal line, and you can take a risk to reward of 1:10, right? You heard me right. You can take a risk to reward of 1:10. But you will acknowledge one more thing, that here on this day prices went below this horizontal line. So you will see and you will feel that, oh my god, the stop loss is triggered. No, my dear, the closing was not below the horizontal line, so stop loss was not triggered, correct? Day of closing below the horizontal line, that the day you will book the loss. Or if you are a conservative trader, then it doesn't matter, 27 points are also worth the wait. If you are taking to trade on the 100 point also, the 100 stocks also, then 2700 with the one simple strategy, you made a good profit. You can easily leave the market in peace. So I hope you completely understood as what you can do, right? And the second thing about the target that I have told you, that you can take such and such a target. I have told you the first way to select the target is, this is the 2 swing highs that we have marked. Apart from that, this is also one swing high, and based upon this we can take a target of 27 points. But the second thing I have told you, that you can take a risk to reward of 1:5 or 1:10 also, and you can go long in the stock. In that case, the second case, this strategy is going to get weak, so you need to remember that thing. Right now I'm going to show you some more example. Let me take you to the HDFC Bank to show more examples, right? You can understand that how hard to find it is to find the trade in this particular strategy. That's why the examples will be less, but those examples are going to be the rock solid examples, as well as they are going to give you some good idea as to how you can take the trade. Okay, so let me show you. So now come here, right? Here you can see again 2 swing highs were made, and this is going to be our target point, right? This is going to be our target point. This is this one swing high, this is the second swing high. Look at the high of this day is higher than the both this day and this day. So the 17th December high is higher than the 16th December high, and of the 18th December high, right? And the again, if you'll see, the 30th December's high and the 31st December is higher than this, and the 1st January highs, the 31st December's high is higher than this also, right? So here we can see the 1444, right, is the entry level, and 1464 is the high made on this swing high day, right? Target day. So 20 points difference we are looking for, correct? Here we go, this is the point, right? And here comes the breakout. and once the breakout comes, you can see the 20 points, we have gained more than the 20 points, correct? So you can see how good this strategy works once this gives the signal, right? Look, there are hundreds and thousands of stocks are available, so you can find the examples on your own. Also, you can find the you have to do a lot of paper trading before deploying this strategy in the real markets, and I know this strategy will work less. This is not the strategy which is going to give you a call every day. This strategy is going to take time and will ask a lot of for a lot of patience. But once you get into that, once you start getting patient, then you will see the results are going to be so good and so better. So 14444 is, and this candle's high you can see was 1511, so it was worth the wait. For 5 days we get a profit of almost 70 to 80 points, so it is good profit after all, right? So it was worth the wait. And then we can see another example over here. So this time I'm going to show you example of how you can go short. So this is, I think, let me check. So big charts and lots of things that it takes time. So okay, let me check. So okay, you can see this is the swing low. The low of this day is lower than this one and this one, and again the lower low of this day was lower than this one and this one, and this was the swing low made between both these days. So this is going to be our target, and breakout comes and you can see market falls below this, below than this even. So a gain of more than 100 points was there. So you can see how good and firm this strategy is. So I hope you understood it well, and the condition and the criteria which is required to trade based upon this strategy are also very clear to all of you. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please do like this video, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.